Kate Bilo joins us now with our forecast, and one more day of 90 and above, and we can call it a heat wave.
We can call it a heat wave. You know, the definition of a heat wave differs depending on where you're at in the country. We don't all use the same definition, which is kind of interesting.
Right.
For us here in Philadelphia, we use the 3 days in the 90s. But keep in mind, if you were in Phoenix, that definition wouldn't work. 3 days in the 90s.
Right.
In Phoenix
cool.
is, that's like
Chilly.
springtime. Yeah.
Right.
So for us, that's what it means. 3 days straight in the 90s. The worst of it looks like it'll come this weekend. That's when the humidity is really going to ramp up. And as we know, it's not the heat, it's the humidity. When you get dew points close to 70 degrees, which is where they'll be on Saturday, that's when you really feel that dangerous heat, those heat index values near 100, the kind of weather you just really don't want to be outside in unless you're floating, dripping in a pool. Let's take a look outside. Speaking of dripping wet, we've got the fountains going at Logan Circle, and it looks beautiful out there. Nice afternoon to walk by and at least catch the mist on the breeze. There's not much of a breeze out there this evening and tonight, making it feel even warmer. But as I mentioned at the top of the broadcast, the humidity is really not that bad today. It's going to start to ramp up a little bit each day, though, as we head toward our weekend. Temps right now, 90s, 91 in Philadelphia, 92 in Wilmington, 90 in Millville. We hit 90 yesterday. So far, 91 today. Again, that makes it 2 days in the 90s, and it looks like we're going to have at least 2 more, if not 3 more, on the way. Will be likely a 4 or 5 day heat wave before we get through this. Now, per year, we average about 29 90-degree days here in Philadelphia. That's a 30-year average since 1988. So far in 2019, we've had 3. We're almost at the end of June, and usually in the month of June, we have about 8. So we're actually slightly below average. Part of the reason being we had so much wet weather and shower and thunderstorm activity that tends to start to kind of halt the heating during the day, even on a day that would be hot. The most 90s, the month of July. 12 is the average for the month of July. That is our hottest month of the year here in Philadelphia. That's when average temperatures get to around 87 degrees. So sometimes we can have what I call a baby heat wave. If you're in the middle of July, average high is 87, and you hit 3 days at 90, 90, 90, it's not that far above average, but it does still meet the definition. Storm Scan 3, again, showing shower and thunderstorm activity off to the west right now. It's going to stay there for tonight and most of tomorrow, but this dome of hot air is in place into the weekend. Now, Sunday into Monday, we're going to start to see slightly cooler air try to drop in briefly from the north. I think that's our one little break in the heat and humidity before it builds right back in Tuesday into Wednesday. Future weather is quiet, just maybe a stray shower or storm off to the west tomorrow afternoon. Overnight, mainly clear, very warm, 74 degrees. Not a night to sleep with the windows open tonight. For sure, you need the fan or the air conditioner. Mostly sunny, hot and humid tomorrow at 91. And your Eyewitness weather 7-day forecast. Saturday looks like the hottest day of the forecast time frame. We're at 94, feeling like close to 100. Sunday, 90, with still the chance for a thunderstorm. Now turning a bit less humid late Sunday. Monday is a bit more seasonable at 86. But then back to the 90s we go. Tuesday, Wednesday, and for the 4th of July on Thursday. Looks like the heat is going to be with us, but a lot of sunshine and not a lot of chances for severe weather. Though we'll have to watch late Saturday. That's our best chance for a strong storm.
Okay. Hello, summer. All right. Thank you, Kate. Appreciate it. Still